What up, guys? So come with me to get ready in the locker room. So I go to a 4-H meeting. So we had school today, so I'm just gonna basically be doing like little things. So we'll start off with my hair. I usually sit down. I'm just gonna put just a tad. I'm super energetic. Last season was not for the first season. It's fine. Ow. Let me give you a rundown of what all I'm doing this week. So this week, first we have so tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but I don't think there's anything important. Oh no, there's a basketball game. Not my basketball game, but like a varsity basketball game. So yeah, I have to go manage that. Hello? There you are. So I go manage a varsity basketball game. Yeah. So we'll go do that, and then Wednesday, don't really think I have anything going on Wednesday either. Thursday, nothing. Friday, I have a 4-H dub because I am part of the council. I'm turning on the dairy offers and like milk products. So yeah. And then on Saturday we get to go at 4 a.m. in the morning to Carrizozo and do that. Do at 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna go judge FFA. So yeah. I know it's the sleep night version. I need to take a shower tonight anyways. So I'm just gonna brush my hair out because it's a little tangled. I need to straighten it. So I'll give you all a fit check one day on what I'm gonna wear for Friday and Saturday. Don't think I'm gross when I show you what I wear, because I think I'm gonna wear the same jeans 3 days in a row. But it won't be that bad because I'm gonna wash them, of course. I'll do a fit check. I'll show you my fit. It's gonna be tough. Next I need to get changed, so I need this. Right. No. I'll just put my stuff. I'll put you right here. Let me pack everything up. So that. Slip down. Unpack my bag. I just need to get dressed. I need to take my uniform home because we have to turn in that stuff. I slipped that out. I'm so sorry, my Sabrinas. You've done me so well. Actually, no, you haven't. Sorry. My basketball shoes. Actually, I wore them. I broke them in during volleyball season because I wore them for like the last couple games. So, yeah. You want to see a dance I've been practicing? I'm super late to this trend. That's alright. Wait. I I know I'm super late to that train, but that's alright. I'm gonna go ahead and change, and I will be right back. And in a bippity boppity. Hey, let me get my perfume out. Sol de Janeiro 48. Yup, you better know it. Well, pretty much all I have to do right now, take you around to school. Yeah, and that's all. Say goodbye to the locker for basketball. Bye, have a great day. Bye.